Pumpkins are a mighty squash, and they're actually the exact same species as a lot of other squash: acorn squash, yellow squash, spaghetti squash, and even zucchini. That means a zucchini and a pumpkin can breed and have little baby zumpkins. Or maybe pumpkinis? The Latin name for pumpkins is cucurbita pepo, which just means gourd melon, a truly uninspired bit of naming. Like all fruit, pumpkins are both a trick and a treat. Their seeds are hidden inside a delicious, brightly colored package, so animals will eat them and then spread them around. Pumpkin seeds, or PEPITAS, have evolved tough shells that can survive the exciting journey through an animal's digestive tract. In Russia, some believe that eating pumpkin seeds can help get rid of parasitic worms. It's not clear if that really works in humans, but there is a real published study in which pumpkin seeds helped deworm ostriches. Pumpkins come from the Americas. They were actually one of the first plants domesticated here 8,000 to 10,000 years ago. When the Pilgrims arrived in 1620, they ended up eating a lot of pumpkins. They even wrote a poem about it. "We have pumpkin at morning and pumpkin at noon. If it was not for pumpkins, we should be undone." That rhyme scheme was not great, but maybe that's because Pilgrims were also making a lot of beer with their pumpkins. Pumpkin beer was already a thing way back in the 17th century. Sorry, hipsters. People once thought they could get rid of freckles by putting mashed up pumpkin on their faces. And in all fairness, that probably did distract from the freckles. Explorers soon brought pumpkins back to Europe. It was only 1697 when a Frenchman incorporated a pumpkin into the popular folktale we know as Cinderella. That was actually a very specific variety of pumpkin, a red pumpkin. And there are lots of other colors: yellow, white, even blue. And all pumpkins start out green. Their skin is full of green chlorophyll that photosynthesizes just like in a leaf. As the pumpkin ripens, the chlorophyll breaks down, and other pigments like orange carotene become visible. You know how they gas green tomatoes to turn them red? That gas is called ethylene, and it's given off by a lot of ripening fruits. So if you have an unripe green pumpkin and you want to change its color, put it in a bag with some old apples and wait a few days. The jack-o'-lantern has its roots in Europe. The story goes that a sinful man named Stingy Jack tricked the devil to get out of hell, but also wasn't allowed into heaven, so he was forced to wander the earth with only a single coal for a light. In the British Isles, people used turnips to carve their own jack-o'-lanterns, but when they got to the Americas, they must have realized these will work way better.